Hello. Lot of people come and ask me, Doctor, do I need to buy a blue light blocking glasses? In this video, I will be talking about what is this blue light? Is the blue light harmful to our eyes? And does one require to buy a blue blocking glasses? Hello, I am Dr. Sriram Ramalingam, Medical Director, Pradnya Netralaya, RT Nagar. What is this blue light? All visible light we humans see contains the entire spectrum of rainbows from the red to the violet. Within that spectrum are the blue light. Blue light helps us to stay alert and upbeat. What are the sources of blue light? Any source of visible light gives off a blue light, whether it is the sun, a touch screen, or a light bulb. We get plenty of blue light waves each day from the sun. But after dark, we are still exposed to it from the artificial sources. Now, how does this blue light affect us? After the sun goes down, the lack of light signal, especially the blue light, stimulates a hormone called melatonin, which regulates our sleep pattern and hence our circadian rhythm. Today, we are exposed to this blue light day and night. This delays the production of melatonin and hence we find it difficult falling asleep. What does one's phone or computer screen have to do with this? Compared to the fluorescent or incandescent light bulb, LED can give off a significant large amount of blue light. Now coming to the moot question, is the blue light harmful to our eyes? The American Academy of Ophthalmology has categorically stated that there is no evidence that the blue light specifically given off by the screen will damage your eyes, as we are exposed to this blue light all day from the sun. Now, what are these blue blocking glasses then? Blue light blocking glasses have filters in their lenses that block or absorb the blue light and in some cases to some amount the UV light from getting through into our eyes. So now coming to the question, should one buy a blue blocking glasses? It depends. If one needs to work long hours after dark and having trouble falling asleep, one can buy the blue blocking lenses. If one uses only a smartphones at night, one can turn on the night mode in your smartphones and avoid the blue rays. What is this night mode? This basically reduces the light emitted by the device screen while maintaining the minimum color contrast ratio required for readability. So coming to the question, blue light does not decrease the digital eye strain. Blue blocking lenses are not required for everyone working on the digital devices. It's only required those who work late hours in the night and find difficulty in falling asleep. My next video will be on certain myths versus facts about the eye, like can I eat carrot and get rid of my glasses? Thanks for watching.